Saan ikaw mag-video?
Ngunit lang.
Tanawag. Ikaw lang ang view dito. Ayaw lag front. Parang gilid. Nakasagian. Hi guys. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Hindi na eh. Why you ask me to do this and then you keep on. Oh my goodness. Sige, you say something. Vlogger. Mag-vlogger man si Idoy. Mag-vlogger na siya.
Diretso lang, no? Grabe, oh.
And also the vlogger. Oh. Nice house. It's like Indian house.
Ito, Andox.
This one? Andox.
Kay Andox yan.
Okay.
Kay Javier. Diretso lang, no?
They just do it.
Sige na yan, right na sign na tayo.
Yeah. You will tell.
Sarang tinilapit.
That could be enough.
Oh.
Huh. Ano po yan? Nakakilok.
Kain.
Dito daw sa daan. Baka daw
Ano, okay lang ka mo?
makakala ko kami. Aray ko.
Dahil na kapag meron dyan
Nag-trek pa.
So inaano niya yung place niya talaga, no? You reserve it as is.
Di ba maganda sistema, no?
That's very good. You maintain the nature. Thank you. Ay, Diyos ko. Your bag.
ang dami. Ang dami din nandito sa kuwanan. Ang dito sukaan. Ang pero dito natin.
Kuya, wala bang ahas dito? Sure ka? Parang it seems ano lang place ko. Pag may ahas, kuya, ikaw mauna. Ikaw muna magpakagat. Bago kami.
So, kinahanglan may guide.
Yeah,
Kailangan may guide.
That's very good. You have a tour guide.
We paid for the guide.
Yeah.
25 per person. Tapos 300 pesos for the guide. That's good.
How far? Kaano kalayo, kuya? How far? 10 minutes?
We,
15? So it seems... how
we still
many-
have around 7 minutes. We already walk around 7 minutes. Ah, di Taloyo?
Okay. But it's just same thing here. Kuya, safe ba?
I think.
Ingat lang po kayo. Makikiraan lang po kami.
Tabi-tabi po.
They really preserve their nature, you know? What's that?
See what I found?
What's that?
Millipede. Para ngayon ini.
Iba yung may-ari ng lupa. That's why hindi kayo nagkaintindihan.
Ano ni? Oh,
Yeah,
flowers.
we're going to the cave. Buti naman ginawa ng paraan ng LGBT.
Kaya ano na rin to.
Malinis dito ba?
Tourist attraction na rin.
Pinapapasok yung mga ano-ano. Kailangan may registration para maging malinis. Idoy, nilagay mo yung ano mo, passport sa...
Andun sa...
Oo. Ha?
Oo. Oo.
76. Hindi na, kasi nagtutungkod na. Japanese, Filipino. Oh, really? That's nice. Sanay na siya. Ganyan yung ano niya, trekking. Saka mountain climbing.
Ako sanay umakyat ng pader.
Oh, I found 1 peso.
Wow.
Finder's keeper. You know? Thank you.
You are now 1 peso richer.
Yeah. So dito, starting already with the watery.
Which means we are near.
It means we're near.
Go. Tingnan mo yung ano, day. Mga
Ano yung the stones had already
ang tree. Oh.
have already.
Wow.
Okay. You get the trees, fruits.
Oo.
See, yung mga stones niya, meron ng mga ano. Oh,
Wow.
oh, careful.
Antik. Malamig yung ano niya sa hangin, yung ano no.
Okay. This is it. This is it, pansit.
Okay.
Talaga siya.
Careful. Wow.
We're here. Saan tayo?
Mata. Ya mau na.
Ah,
Yun na ha. Careful. Up. Yun na mo ha.
careful, Idol.
Okay.
Madam, ingat lang madam oh.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Kuya, dito din ang balik natin. Yes po. Later na ako mag-picture.
Mag-trek ta diha day. Wow.
Are we going to use
Ye-
the bagin?
Yes.
Oh, yes, ka dyan. Snap. Ito na yon?
Yes, papasok tayo dyan.
Oh, really? Can we?
Ako at ata.
We can. Ano yung pawis ko?
Dito, dun sa taas, dun sa baba.
I'll get my phone.
Cellphone?
Give me please, kuya, kindly. It's amazing one.
Ito ma'am. Gusto mo.
Here, kuya. I'll do video first. It was so nice and happy. Thank you so much. Ayaw sana na magpunta rito. Sabi ko, I saw it in the vlog.
Yeah. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Ah.